Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. So up front we had the ladies Puma. They're gonna be 27, ends on the 5th of February. You know what, I thought these had pink on them. They don't. The Swiffer Heavy Duster. Okay, this one is $13.89. Your limit will be 2, and this one also ends on the 5th. Downy Squeeze and Sniff, $13.29. Now this one, your limit is 2, ends on the 26th. Okay, this one is out for $160. One push setup, 50 plus UPF protection, wheeled, and you can expand it. Okay, so carry bag comes with it, obviously. That's kind of cool. It's like a one push. I know these could be kind of difficult. So this one is the Timber Ridge director's chair. Does it have your name in the back? But look right here, this is really cool. You know, normally they just have a cup holder like hanging from the side, but this one you get like a whole table. This could hold 5.5 pounds. You can put your tablets in here, maybe run through some cables through the slit if you have them out there. So the weight capacity is 300 pounds. And you know, the hammock chair is back. We've seen this one before. It is $40 now, $39.99 from $50, ends on the 7th, and your limit is 10. And this looks like fun. I bought regular camping chairs, and then when I see this, I felt like I should have bought this. But they didn't have them. And you know what? These go by really, really fast. And I know we've seen these before. The grapefruit. We have the citrus. Now this one is finger lime. My neighbor just gave me a whole bunch of oranges. They have a orange tree, and I'm like, look at, they already have oranges. So should we pick them? And they gave me some oranges, and I'm like, oh, I think I want to kind of get one.
I do too. I want a lemon tree. Really.
A lemon tree?
I love lemonade.
Oh, to make lemonade. I love it. This is the blood oranges. Nice. And then we have your tomatoes. Let me find out how much they are here. It might be on the other side. There's different types of tomatoes to choose from. You have the round one, and they also have like the tiny ones, like the Roman, I think. So $22 for the steel garden. Now this one is going to be the dragonfly design. I do like these, right? I mean, these are so cute.
Trellises are nice, but it's like once it gets covered in a vine, it's going to vanish.
And there is going to be a price difference. So dragonfly is a $22. If you want the bird one, it's going to be $23, which is kind of weird because everything's the same except for the design. The bird and leaf design is going to cost you more.
The one thing I don't like about this is that...
Oh, the shape too on top.
Well, you can't screw it to a wall, because if you put it about a foot up on a cinder block wall, you get an extra fence height, and then you lean your crawler vines up against it at an angle so they crawl faster, and then you have more privacy. You get an extra foot of fence.
Lavender is $17, and these are $17 as well. Oh, I love this color. Just love the bright colors of it. You know, somebody at work said they bought a flower mix, like the wild flower mix from the Dollar Tree, and they just spread it in their backyard and they have wildflowers. I'm like, really? Because I think I did that one time and it didn't work. So today in their book department, they have the Magical Unicorn Society for $8. This is a new book here, and there is one more. Everything else looks the same. A Brief Histories of Unicorn. Oh, there's one more. My goodness. Everything's about unicorn. They do have that Minecraft over there. Crush, $7.99. They have Enemies and Crush and Enemies. Okay, I found Scooby-Doo 5-minute stories, $9. Have you guys seen the new ones? I haven't seen the new ones, but you know that one that's like on Cartoon Network, I think. They're always meeting a celebrity. Like the other day, who did they have on?
They had the guy from like We're the Millers and stuff.
Yeah, I don't know his name. Jason, yeah. And then my kids were watching it the other day, and I'm like, so Scooby-Doo just has celebrities on now.
I don't like their voices now, because I like the originals, and I don't like new voice actors.
$11.99. He's a hater. So we have the ultimate book of Planet Earth is $15, which is like really cool. Okay, and we have your roses. They're gonna be $19. Look at that colorful one. And $17. This location also has the Forever Rose, which is $140. So for men, the men's bomber jacket is going to be $20. Here's what it looks like. Again, I know a lot of ladies love to wear stuff like this, like streetwear. Just get them in a bigger size. They also have it in blue, green, and a tan, and they're $20. $11.99 for the men's jogger. Your limit is 10, ends on the 26th. They're by Eddie Bauer, so they have blue, black, and they do have gray. By Pebble Beach, the men's 1/4 zip, $17. This kind of reminds me of, I don't know why, that 70s show. I have no idea why I'm getting those vibes. Have you guys seen the 91? Do you like it? Okay, and $13.49 here. We have Eddie Bauer's fleece crew neck. Very cozy. See why? How come the women's, man? You know, when we're up early taking the kids to school or whatever, how come like our shirts are just made so different? I hate it. Because I usually do get my stuff like hoodies, sweaters in the men department. This would have came in handy for the mornings. I love it. $13.49, and they do have multiple to choose from. Plenty of the cardigan, the travel cardigan, $16.97. Plenty left over. The black, this is great for the house too. And men dress shirt, if you're needing some, they're $17.99. $17.99. Let me get over here real quick. These are going to be Calvin Klein wrinkle free for $20. We have Hang 10 men's hybrid short for $15.49. These are really thin, and the swim bottoms are $15. They have stripy ones, a black one, and gray. And by Gary's, the men long sleeve texture is $20. You can stretch, UV protection, a quick dry. It has a little zipper right here too to put maybe your phone, I don't know, whatever you want. And they have like this green color. The golf short is $20. A lot of people golfing today. Just drove by the golf course. These are very thin, very lightweight, and it look like, yeah, stretchy fabric. Okay, they're $20. And you know these funky guys, they are $15. The men's canvas pant will be $20. I feel like I don't show enough like men, but today they have quite a bit in this location. I love this green color. I don't know, I'm very attracted to green for some odd reason. And the tan. And $15 the tech shirts. 2 pockets. I don't know how I feel about the pocket flap. I wish it was just like a, but it still use it. They have it in gray as well. And Adidas Lady Active Jogger is going to be $22. Oh, they have the gray and purple, you guys. Gray and purple, the black and white, and they do have the blue. Actually, these are going to be like the leggings, like the tight. So we have the joggers, which are 22. And then next to me, we have the tight for 18. Only see blue and black here. And more ladies jogger, like a comfort, is $11.99. Ends on the 5th. Your limit is 10. These are very soft and stretchy. They do have a pretty thick band too. Here's what they look like. Okay, and the crew neck tee for ladies, the plain ones, these are 10. Right now for children, these are $16.99, the Puma Youth hoodie. So again, we're gonna see a lot of long sleeves. $16.99. They have the pink one. And $14 for a 4-piece set. So cat is going to be $12.97. And this is cute. And it has it on the sleeve too, which is my favorite when hoodies have design on the sleeve. So again, if you have like a petite teen or yourself, I just buy like the extra large. Sometimes they have double X in kids, very rare though. So they have it in gray, and you can also find it in black. And by Kirkland, we have organic cotton. So if you're about that organic life, they have it for you here for $18. And these are really lightweight too, very thin. So even for summer, you know, it gets blazing hot here. This is good. Like a unicorn one or butterfly. That's a pretty purple color. Pretty purple. And the mermaid. And for babies, we have $15.99, and you will get three in here by Koala Baby for $15.99, which I say is not a bad deal. And TJ Maxx and Marshalls, sometimes you could only find 2 together or maybe 1. I want to say maybe 2 together might be 13, 1 7 to like 9 maybe. But these are cute. I like the dinosaur one. I know a lot of people are over dinosaur. Okay, we have 3 like construction dude. And for girls, let me come over here. Gotta move stuff around. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is like really cute. That is adorable, and those colors are everything. And here's your little love bug. These are cute. $15.99. So the Filas, which I think I shared before, but they're $13.50 now. Your limit is 10. Ends on the 14th on Love Day, and you get 2, of course. Champion, a youth hoodie, $12.99. That's over here. We have gray, dark blue. You guys remember Champion used to be like the cheapy brand back in the day, like in the Walmart, and now, I mean, 13, not bad, but I mean, even if you went to like Tilly's and stuff and you find Champion, like they're 45 bucks, which is so crazy. So the jogger will be 14, ends on the 15th. Your limit is a 10. The beach cover up, $15.99. I love this Turtle Man. You Turtle Man. Carter's, which I haven't seen Carter's in quite a while in Kohl's. We're not in Kohl's, we're in Costco. But look at that fox. That's a new print. Normally it's like dinosaur. This is really cute actually. $15.99, and you get 2. I love that. Look at this camel one, and it has like the bear. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Adorable. Oh, I missed it. The only person who wants to hang out with me is my dog. $15.99 here. The playwear set. I mean, they hang out with me, but you know, they whatever. The dog's the only love bug right now. Oh my gosh. Now I did find this one for $12.50. Ends on the 14th, and it's a 4-piece. A 4-piece. Look at that with the volcano in the back, and then look how stinking cute these joggers are with the feet. Walmart, if you like funky, I'm gonna call it funky, cute joggers with stuff like that, go to Walmart on Granimals. Yeah, they got cute prints there. Okay, that's really cute. A 4-piece set. Not bad because, you know, they're puking and all that good stuff. The giraffe one. Look at those leggings. Those are cute. Here's one more with the rainbow. Long sleeve. It's more like a diaper shirt. I call it a diaper shirt. Somebody was like, I never heard of it called as a diaper shirt. I'm like, that's just what I call it. Because you attach it at the bottom. You know where the diaper is? These are cute. And ladies, okay, the rash guard. These are only $15. So if you're going swimming, you're going to Grey Wolf Lodge with your children, you could put this on and wear yourself some bike shorts or whatever you want to wear. Not bad. They have multiple prints, and they do have an all white one. There we go. Next to me, the short is $10. These are easy pull on, ready for spring and summer here. I did find a Calvin Klein windbreaker for $25. I feel like this is one thing I don't get about my Costco. They bring out this stuff when we're kind of like
leaving winter.
Supposed to be leaving winter, you know what I mean? Especially on the rainy days. This is a good one just to keep in your car. They're all backwards.
They'll have this crap in the summer.
Yeah, they will. This will be around in the summertime. Hey, we have monsoon season and those huge dust storms, which I do not like driving through, so I don't drive through them. $25. And I think, you guys, this might be it in their clothing or anything new. We have a blouse. These are 10. Okay, here's what it looks like. 20 by 32 degree, which I do like the material. And they also have a pajama pants set I did share in a previous video, but I like how they're so soft and that cool feeling. More bottoms for women. These are 10. Again, the easy one. You can even go jogging in them. All that fun stuff. Alright, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and leave the clothing department. It's more men here. It's a quick dry one. I'm going to try to go through the food department in this location and see what's new. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.